Ka Lampung Yelakai District Level Inter-School Sabroto Cup Football Tournament Arjar Arpusau, kabala penyat da Keslam Traikam, jangka District Sports Officer Iska Sales District, kalapoi hakabakut henni kesengi, hakaba ka Assam Rifle Public School, kalayo benra ya ka 6 ladu, haka under 15 but under 17 boys. Bat ka Tersat Secondary School pat kalara ya ka 6 ladu, haka under 17 girls. Haka jingga kun final, jangka under 17 boys, ka Assam Rifles Public School kala penlimno nya ka Umpernai Presbyterian Secondary School lengba ka jingga shoot finalty. Hagaba ka Assam Rifle kalayo bantep saw, but ka Umpernai kalayo bantep lai goal.
may subon ko lagi. Kailangan ko sa sila ng taga. Sama ko sa school, being the winner of the district level in the school Super Cup. Yes, Kasigal, and then represent the district in the state level Super Cup 2023.
Committee jong ka Meghalaya Football Association at naka jing ito istong lang bat ki coaches ki badon hakani ka department ki jujet na phi ki ni ki tournament bon ki khana ba kinyo represent ya ka junior bat ka sub junior team te tournament ba kani ka jingla ka jong phi ki jing job jong ki ni ka school Assam Rifle Public School kan yela ka ba hakani ka state level competition ka bansawan te khajing sisa ngam dai than ban krenjong no mga atin do filai thai Teman kalian juga ngasikuan, nah itu imagine kentu yefi ki kelas school bat ki bede ki play football. Takwa kan orang fi lakai football bat fi pulir hajo kopor. Kaji pulir bat kajing lakai ke depan agen kat kat. Fi play ban club ya kajing lakai football ru bat kajing pulir ru. Kanya ru fi ni ki kena juga la ban lakai ru bat ban pulir ke kot. Tapi kerana bat fi ni ban tai kopor. Kalau mungkin lah abang nilai kai baru, hak juga perlu mungkin yo kajing lanjut start ke bapa. Kita begini kita ngai kuli fi baru.